What it is, what it do, it's your girl Fantas Nigeria, and I am back at it again with a new face. Yes, y'all, this look is definitely a vibe. It is very suitable for all my dark-skinned queens. Y'all know I do this for y'all. I do this for y'all. Always, you know, always. This look is a vibe. It is a moody look. It is a nighttime look. It is a daytime look. I don't even care what type of look it is. It is a look, okay? It is a look. It is a look. And if you like this look, stay tuned till the end of this video. And I also have a giveaway for y'all. Oh my God. So you gotta finish watching this video for you to find out what the giveaway is. Yeah. So yeah, watch this video and I'll be right back. Peace. Inside my Morphe brushes 35S, I am going to be using this gold shade on my brow bone. To set the rest of the concealer in my eyes, I'm going to take this shade right here on my Morphe brushes 35M, and I'm just going to dab that everywhere without touching my highlight. Inside the same Morphe brushes palette, I'm taking this orange shade right here on my crease. I'm just using this orange as a transition color from my crease. Just focus it on the crease, Then I'm taking this brown shade. It's a rich brown shade. I'm just gonna put that right on the crease. Now I am adding this dark shade right here on my eyelid. I'm using my old brush and I'm just gonna blend this and this together. Now I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Using my good old foundation, Maybelline Fit Me in number 360. I love this foundation. Using my good old Elegant Pro Concealer in beautiful bronze. Yes, I am still using my NYX Conceal Correct Contour palette, and I use the darkest shade, as you can see. I use it for contouring my nose. Now I'm using my Bella Pure Contour and Highlight Pro palette, and I am using this shade right here, and I'm going to use it to set my highlights. For contour, I'm using the darkest shade on the Bella Pure Highlight Pro palette. I'm using that same palette. be brightening up my bottom eyelid with NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. For my bottom eyeliner, I'm using Stiller. It is a smudge stick waterproof eyeliner on my bottom eyes. To add on to my bottom eyeliner, I'm just gonna take this, you know, the one we used right here. I'm just gonna add that to this color. Using the same eyeliner brand that I've always used since I started doing my makeup, Wet n Wild Mega Eyeliner. We'll be applying my eyelashes off camera, so I will be right back. So now that I've applied my lashes off camera, I apologize, I don't know the name for these lashes. I got it at a local beauty supply store for like $1, so yeah. But moving on, I'm gonna be using the same Wet n Wild Mega eyeliner over the lashes, just slightly, a little bit. I still use my Raggedy Dollar Tree $1 LA Colors blush. It's honestly my favorite blush in the whole wide world, seriously. When I'm blushing, I like to start right here on my cheekbones and work it all the way back, brushing it down. It's like the line between my highlight and my contour. I bring it all the way right here and down here. In a way, it's like having blush all over your face. Blush all over. I'm using Bella Pierre Sultry Illuminator, and I'm gonna be using that to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, Cupid's bow, and the corner of my eyes. A little bit on the bridge of my bone, on the bridge of my bone, on the bridge of my nose. I'm messing up. It's okay when you mess up, just clean it up with Q-tips. So I'm gonna be wearing MAC in Choco Tease. This is my first time with this color. And guess what, y'all? Stay tuned for the giveaway because there will be some MAC products in it at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I am all done. It is time to set my face with Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Guys, this is my new favorite product, okay? Everything is my favorite, but I'm so in love with this product. It is a face spray by Shimmer Squad Australia, and it has like coconut oil in it, and it has shimmers in it, and shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. So shake, shake, shake. Then I add it on to my face before the setting spray sinks in. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video of me putting this smoothie brown look together just as much as I enjoy wearing this beautiful look on my face. But like I said at the beginning of my video that I do have a giveaway for y'all. I feel like it is time to show my appreciation for as long as I've been on YouTube, but I've been so inconsistent. And now that I'm on the roll of being consistent, I think I need to appreciate my subscribers that has been there with me from day one and the ones that are falling in love with me right now, okay? Because I love you guys. I fall in love with positivity. I fall in love with good vibes. And you guys give me good vibes. And I couldn't be more thankful for that, you know? So to show my appreciation, I put away a beauty bag. It's not in a bag yet, but this is all beauty stuff right here. It is everything your face needs, from the set of makeup brushes. I hope everything doesn't fall off, sorry guys, but this big thing right here is a set of makeup brushes. Yes, I dropped something. This is a set of makeup brushes. This is a glow stick right here for your face. I got some illuminator in here for y'all. I got some face glow serum. I just want y'all to be glowing just like me, you know what I mean? I got some Smashbox eyeshadow for you. Y'all know Smashbox is not cheap, okay? I got some Allure lashes for you. I got, oh, y'all remember when I did the face mask and I told y'all that I was gonna be putting this in the bag? I kept my word. So you'll get to have those black charcoal bubble shit mask too before you do your makeup with all this stuff. You have to mask your face, okay? There. I got some mascara, some, you know, expensive mascara by Bissell. I got some Bare Mineral setting powder. They actually have 3 different kinds in here. It's just beautiful. But you know, it's all for your face. And because I want y'all to be matching me on the lips, I had some MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. So this is, you see the middle color is the same as what I have on right now. And the last but not the least is a set of face brushes. So if you're interested in this beauty products that I just showed you, all you gotta do is follow 4 steps. 4, not 3, 4. All you have to do is follow these 4 steps. Be a subscriber, share this video, tag 3 friends, comment done in this video, okay? And I get to check you out. I get to see what you're talking about. Did you do it or did you not do it? So go ahead and let's start participating. Right now there is no deadline, okay? I want everyone to get an opportunity to participate. But trust me, I am not gonna prolong this for too long because I want to quickly reward y'all for it. So this beauty bag will be going to one of my subscribers that actually followed through with all 4 steps. So let's get to it. With that being said, that way, let's go. Peace. I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.